In 1980, a company called MUJI was established in Tokyo, whose name literally translates to quality goods with no brands. Starting off as a company providing affordable food and daily supplies to Japanese people living in a substantial economic bubble, the MUJI brand has become an expensive brand 30 years later that sells notebooks, humidifiers, undergarments, wooden tables at a premium. Brandlessness has recently become a trend in many parts of the world as an emerging marketing strategy to democratize our spending on everyday necessities and drive down the cost of producing them. However, much like the unstoppable gentrification of the MUJI brand has suffered multiple setbacks in the consumer market, and the value of the brand itself still matters. Contrary to the conception of brand premium, the brand actually serves the function of communicating the idea of the company to its consumers. When we think of Nike, we think about passion and sports. Apple signifies simplicity and elegance. Brands establish trust between the company and the customer. It is a fundamental promise that businesses make to their patrons. As designers, we need to strengthen the concept of the brand using the 3 C's. Clear, is our promise both specific and easy to understand? Compelling, do we have a hook or a unique proposition that will entice people? Consistent, can we build everything we do on this foundation, or will we have to switch gears when faced with changes and challenges? Communicate these 3 C's with your customers well so they can establish an accurate assessment of your brand in their minds. I hope this tip was helpful. Don't forget to visit our website at void.com. This is San. You're watching UX Tips at Void. See you in the next video.